So the first application I want to talk about getting started with the PLANEX M is sanding your basic drywall mudded wall. First, you got to choose the right abrasive. I use Granat here, and I got Granat 150. It's easier to start high and see how quick you're going with it instead of starting really low and tearing into the paper. I've also adjusted the suction level for the wall to take, and if I'm sanding up high, I'll go a little more suction to take the weight off the PLANEX. And it's pretty simple. When you're using it, because it's a random orbit motion, you start it off of the wall and you start sanding in overlapping passes up into the corners. And it's that easy. With the PLANEX M, you just let the machine do the work.